Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So you guys have already seen this layout. This is my 2023 January pocket page. And my plan was to use my Elle Studio kit that I get each month to just go ahead and document this. Just little moments that are, that don't really kind of need or deserve their full 12 by 12 layout. So I have these. So this is January, and I thought I would share with you my May kit that I received, and I guess I've got to figure out what I'm going to do for March because I forgot to change my address, and it got sent to the old address, and yeah, so I'm out of March kit. So anyway, this is the May 2023 kit. It has these die cuts right here, and then we will go through the cards. So it's got 4x6 card here with some blue lines. This is a 4x6 card that could be cut down to 2 3x4s. More of the pop-out die cuts, lots of labels and things. I love the labels here. This is another 4x6 card that says let's go, and then we will go over the 3x4 cards. So just a colorful card, a text message. This would definitely be something I would use because I do screenshot text messages and document them. A big old fun, some tags. They could be fussy cut highlights from this adventure, weekend highlights with tickets that say Saturday and Sunday, a journaling card with a label, journaling card with stars, a kind of shield journaling card with notes. We've got plus signs in this peachy color that's also over here, so it coordinates in here as well. It says, "You did it, good job." Favorite photograph. So obviously a place to put your photo there. Date, place, and notes. Some yellow diagonal lines. Hearts down the side. Some purple. I love it when there's purple. Really excited to have some purple things coming to the shop, you guys. They should be arriving next week, so they're going to be uploaded. Also, here comes the sun, and then a purple, kind of looks like a blank, almost a blank library card, but it looks like a blank writing tablet. So those are my May things. So these are the things that I will use to create this. I guess I could really use any of these. I don't have to stick to the exact month for them, so I'm not going to stress out about not having my March kit, other than the fact that I blew 10 bucks because, you know, they don't, the post office doesn't forward packages, and it was considered a package because it was in an envelope. But those are scrapbook albums packed up right there. Yeah. So there it is, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your patience with me as I'm trying to get over my creative slump, and still just not feeling super creative today as I was coming home from work. And yeah. So thanks for your patience. Tomorrow, though, there will be a layout posted. I do have some ideas, at least for tomorrow's layout. So that's going to happen, and stay tuned for June in the Scrapping Reflection shop. I'm going to have new stencils released, and also some new products. I'm really excited about the stuff that's coming this week. Rosie Studio is coming to the shop. Hopefully that'll arrive this week, but I can't wait. I'm really excited for it. Anyway, guys, that's enough of me rambling. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.